welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, it's another day of vlogtober, and today we are going, well, I'm going to share with you what I got from Doll Beauty. And oh my god, I did a little bit of a mini shopping haul, all this, and I think I got a discount because I was following them over on Twitter and they sent me over a discount code, and I went and did a little bit of shopping. So yeah, let's dive into what I got. But before we do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are new here, welcome. I hope you guys are enjoying vlogtober just as much as I am. I'm having so much fun, and let me know what is your favorite video so far. I'll leave the playlist here so you guys can check out if you haven't caught up already. We have got 8 days of videos. Well, it's actually 7 because I tried to start off by doing every other day, but I just wanted to share my content with you guys. So we've been uploading every single day, and you guys have been absolutely loving them, and I'm so grateful to all the comments and everybody who's been supporting me. And yeah, like I said as well at the beginning or the end of September, as soon as we hit 3,000 followers over on Instagram, I'll leave all the details down below, and we hit 500 subscribers over on here, then I'm gonna do a massive giveaway because the box is filling up down at the bottom. There's some really good stuff in there. So as soon as we hit that, which we haven't got far to go, I think we're on about 470 now subscribers and 2,950 on Instagram. So we've got about 50 to go on there and 30 to go on here. So guys, get sharing because I know you are gonna love this giveaway. So let's forget about that and get into the video. Okay, so what did I get from Doll Beauty? I got some little bargains. Okay, so I started off and I got, you guys know what my little obsession is with mirrors, and I just had to get myself a new little mirror, and this is just so cute. It can just look at it, I'll show you right now. So I got the Doll Beauty mirror. How gorgeous is that? It's a heart-shaped one, and I just thought it was really sweet, so I got myself that because I needed a new mirror. Then next up, I went for the highlighter palette. Oh wow, and just look at this. How stunning is that? You guys know what I'm like when it comes to highlight. Okay, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Wow, they're so smooth, silky and smooth. Oh, gorgeous. You know what I'm like with highlight. So that's what I got from that. Then I went in and got myself some more eyelashes. So I got these Stephanie. So I got some Stephanie eyelashes. These are gorgeous on. And then I went in with a lip gloss, and I went for the shade Insta Glam, which is this shade right here. How gorgeous is that? Hasn't got a smell. You know what I'm like. Yep, so I'll try that on another day. If you guys want me to create a look using any of this stuff, I'll be happy to do that. You know what I'm like. Doesn't take much persuading for me to pour on a bit of makeup. Then I went for the Peaches and Tart eyeshadow palette. Just look at, oh, it's broke. So there is the Peaches and Pop Tarts. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Pop Tarts eyeshadow palette. Let me just see if I can squeeze that back in. So one of them has actually come and stuck. There you go. So we've got all these gorgeous eyeshadows, and I'm loving the mirror. Just look at this packaging. How gorgeous is that? It's so cute and different, and we all love hearts, don't we? And in here there's, oh sugar, we've got, what is this? Glitter. So it's loose glitter. Penny better not get her hands on this, it's gonna go everywhere. So that's like a bronze glitter. I'll open it another day. And it's it's floss. And then we've got sherbet over here, which is like a nice pinky gold. Kind of like got a two-tone going on there. Okay. Shall we do some swatches and see how these swatch? Oh wow. They are pigmented. I'm loving these oranges. They are stunning. So that was Candy, Peach Please, and Choco Orange. I really like this pink. It's called Raspberry Sundae. Oh wow. How stunning is that? And this is Sugar and Cookie. So it feels a little bit chalky, but I reckon they blend out quite well because the pigmentation is quite good there. Okay. And I'm liking this Yum Yum corally peachy colour. That's nice. And then there's one here called Rush. Oh wow, that's stunning. That's a really nice highlight in colour as well. Can you see there? It's glowing right there. That's stunning. So yeah, I'm gonna give this palette a go. I absolutely love the packaging. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so that's it guys. That is what I got from Doll Beauty. If you want me to create a look, then let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. It's a quick short one, but hey, you're gonna see me again tomorrow and there's some exciting things coming. I promise you I'm gonna create some looks as well. So I know quite a few people have been asking me to create some looks and I am gonna do it, I promise. But yeah, let me just find 5 minutes to get it done. Honestly, I just feel like there's so much going on and there's not enough time to get it all done, but we'll do it, so don't you worry. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober. Bye.